Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
During a promotion, all prices are decreased by 20%. Express the new price of a t-shirt as a percentage of the original cost. Now, when a price is decreased by 20%, we are taking away 20% from 100%, which refers to the original price. So if we have to express the new price of the t-shirt as a percentage of the original cost, we can work it out this way. We can say 100% minus 20% is equal to 80%. So the new price is 80% of the original price. Let's move on to question B. Find 43% of $1,500. Okay, so 43% is the same as 43 over 100. And now, if I want to work out what 43% of $1,500 is, I have to do the following. I have to say 43 over 100 multiplied by 1,500 over 1. Now remember, we are multiplying these two fractions, which means we will multiply the two numerators and the two denominators. Now, what is 43? What is 43 multiplied by 1,500? That is equal to 64,500. And you can use the column method, long multiplication, to do this. What is 100 multiplied by 1? That is equal to 100. Then you can go and work out what is 64,500 divided by 100. It's quite easy in this case. These two zeros and these two zeros can cancel out. So the answer will just be 645. Okay, so that means the final answer is going to be equal to $645.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.